Hello everyone, I'm Dania Sharida. I'm from Jordan. I'm a computer science and a coding teacher. Right now, I'm working as a freelance trainer for educators at Jordan University. I would thank STEMpedia for this opportunity and this bootcamp. I'm looking forward to sharing the videos during this 10 days camp with you all and making the learning journey smoother for all of us. Take care. Okay, so I will go to the PictoBlocks interface screen and I will speak, as I said, in Arabic and in English. So first, the steps we got to calculating loan interest project. First, we define a class called sprite, and we in a variable, and then the sprite class named Toby. So we activate the sprite Toby here in the stage area. Then we use the def as a built-in word in Python. So it's we call our function is interest calculator. So we use def to identify functions in Python. We have arguments for the function. Here we can identify it, and then we put the نقطتين رئيسيتين أو columns, and then we put amount is the variables we identify and clarify the equation of interest calculator, which is principal plus principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time, all divided on 100. And then also we have to use return in defining the function. So we have a value returned for us. So we have a returned amount when we execute the function. Then we have three parameters here: principal, rate, times, and we have to ask the user to input this parameter. So we have a general function here, sprite dot input. We call the class sprite, and then we call the method input, and we write a string in it, enter the principal amount. The outcomes of the input of this function will be the answer. The answer, we store it at the variable, we call it principal. Notice that principal here have the same written as the argument of the function, so that it's a sensitive case in Python. The method here, we called it float because the return of the input method is string, so we convert it to float, and then we called sprite.answer. Then we use the same function, the same method line for interest and for time. Then we use sprite.say here, this method, to make the sprite display our output we want. Also, say use a string data type, so we have to convert our data type, or the variables we wanted to print or display by Toby, into string. So first we write amount is, and we use the plus sign because plus is making two string to merge together. We convert the string calculator function return, which is amount value, which is also a float value data type. We convert it to string, and then we define that our presenting will be for 4 seconds. So we use comma to separate and to define for the program it's for 4 seconds. Now let's execute our program. We press run. Here Toby print us, enter the principal amount. Let's say we entered 11,000. Enter. So the value will be stored at principal. Enter interest rate, we will add 12, for example. Enter the time. Here we add the time for that, which is 4, for example. Also this value will be stored at time. See here the output we have. Amount is this is the number, and we present it for 4 seconds. Thank you.